All right, y'all, we're gonna make some apple fritters, starting with a cup of cake flour. We're gonna do 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just kind of mix those dry ingredients together just slightly. We're getting ready for our wet ingredients. Okay, so let's come over here to our wet ingredients. We're gonna pour in 3/4 cup of 2% milk. Got 4 tablespoons of butter, melted. We have 1 room temperature egg, about 1/4 teaspoon's worth of orange zest that we're gonna put in there. I'll do a little more, there we go. And about just a little bit of orange juice. And just a little bit of vanilla extract, a little more, there we go. I'm gonna whisk that together real quick. All right, once you have that whisked together, we're gonna take it back over to our dry ingredients. Just pour it and mix it into our dry ingredients. Kind of mix that together just to where it's starting to get, all the dry ingredients are starting to get moist. Once you have it mixed in and moistened a little bit, we're going to start folding in our apples. So I chopped up, this is freshly chopped up apples. They oxidize pretty fast, so you want to get them in there fast as you can. So now that we have those nice and folded in there, we're going to take a tablespoon, start making our little apple fritters. What we're going to do is we're going to drop it into our deep fryer here. And start and get them till they're golden brown on both sides. Just get your nice little bowl and just dump them on in there. If you're doing it in a pan, just about 1/4 inch or about 1 inch, 1/4 inch of oil, maybe a little more. Start just dumping all these guys in there. We should have some yummy apple fritters here pretty soon. Just cover that guy up for a minute. All right, we got them nice and golden brown. Take a look at that, Rain. Those are good. Man, I feel like I'm at the state fair. Look at that guy. I'm about to go start working at the fair, y'all. So you want to have a paper towel lined plate waiting for you. Final fritter. And then if you want, take a little confectioner sugar, give it a little sprinkle. This looks so good, y'all. All right, I gotta try one of these. Let's go. Let's get this guy right here. Look at that. Inside is just perfect. All right, here we go. Oh man, Oh man. Yo, that is so good. Oh my gosh. I would sell these out at the fair. Like immediately. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta try this. Wow.